To go there, maybe the contractor is using it to save himself until something like an oven. And that water will be going around. Yeah. Yeah. So as long as they are not going there to clean every day, definitely we can get it right. So the best thing is to just do total of so that the water can just come down.
Open up.
Just have just that they put fuel there because it's so expensive.
You might watch.
The effect of it.
The effect of that.
Yes. And accommodate several cars.
The seating capacity is 2,000. Then 2 workrooms, 1 control tower, 2 drop-down screens, and then we have lights.
Gentlemen of the press, we're here to assess this facility. It's an arts facility that was constructed by the previous administration, and for a while it has not been put to use. As you can see for yourself, the facility is in a deplorable state. We are looking at the possibility of fixing it to encourage our young ones that are into art and culture. We intend to bring up a training school, and part of our program is to use this particular facility as a base for it. That is the reason why we're here. I think it's not as bad as they said. We can salvage a lot of things here and put to good use. Thank you.